Okay, I'm on Visual Studio Code, quite new to this editor. I've used Dreamweaver, Composer and Expression Web, which was really my favourite. And new to this, sort of getting more modern. And how do you preview in the browser? Well, it was easy, it was straightforward on Expression Web. There was a button around here, bang, preview in the browser, and then you selected your preferred browser, whether it was Chrome, Edge or whatever. So how do you do it on this? Because there's nothing up here. I messed around with a run, didn't work. Watched a couple of videos that talked about this over here, the extensions. Got quite frustrating. None of them seem to install properly. I've installed this one, browser preview. So you'd have to go over, search extensions for some sort of browser preview and install. So let's go and get a file. Now, the problem I had over the last couple of hours, if you press open file, as you would on Expression Web, and it's done it now, that I couldn't find a HTML file. But that's because you had to open a folder first. It's worked this time. Excuse me. And there we are. A file there. Let me just go to split screen. How did I do it last time? I've finally done this. Right. I got it to work a couple of minutes ago before the video. I've finally done it by right clicking. Now on that section now, index.html. So not there, let's try it there. Right click and nothing. So on this top one, right click and preview in default browser. Now I believe that's there now because I've installed from the extensions that you get over here. Okay, extensions, and in search you would install and maybe reload. But I didn't actually bother. I got two. Done two because I thought the first one hadn't worked. I still couldn't find anything around here. I was searching. I thought there'd be a new button, but no. You right click on the file. And I watched videos and none of them really said this. I was just messing around and all of a sudden I found it. Preview in default browser. So do that. Click on. Because you need that really. I want to get going on a new site. So try it first before you actually go to extensions. Click on there, right click, and if you don't have preview in default browser, then extensions. Search in here for some sort of browser. Let's have a look. Browser preview, and it loads down here. Open in browser, open in default browser, viewing. Install one of those, and then after maybe reload. So for me that's worked, and then it should right click and you'll find it down the bottom here. So I hope that helps, because none of the videos shown that. They make it awful confusing, but that's worked for me because I think this looks like a very good editor. So hope that works.